Check this out. I've got this 72 character long string, which is redacted here, but I've got it copied to my clipboard. This 72 character long string is actually a Discord token. Now, if I quickly open a private browser and open Discord in that private browser, you can see that we need to provide our login credentials to log in to any account, which is very obvious. But if instead of logging in, I open the developer tools, go to application, then local storage, we can see a lot of different keys here with their corresponding values. Now, if I edit any key and value from here, let's say this last one, and change the key name to token, and paste that 72 character long string as its value, then reload the page, you can see we're logged in as this user without any credentials and without any location check problems. Yes, usually when we log in from a different location, Discord sends a link to our email to confirm the location. But in this private instance of Edge, as you can see, I was connected to a VPN, yet it still logged me in using that token without any location verification. These are called Discord tokens, and we're going to learn about these in detail and how hackers steal Discord accounts using them. So if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, as I often upload content like this. Before moving on to where this token is stored, and the multiple ways hackers use to steal it, let's break down this Discord token into pieces for better understanding. Timestamps are given in the description if you want to skip this part. So basically, a Discord token is an authentication string used by the Discord API to verify and authorize access to a user's account. It's like a secure key for logging in, sending messages, and interacting with servers without needing to re-enter credentials each time. A Discord token can be 59 to 88 characters long. I said 72 before because 4 different ones I got from my accounts were 72 characters long. A typical user token looks something like this. It should be noted that this is an example from accounts without multi-factor authentication. It is divided into 3 main parts separated by dots. The first part is usually the base 64 encoded user ID. If we copy this first part of the token and decode it, you can see it is exactly the same as our user ID. The second part is a base 64 encoded Unix timestamp indicating when the token was generated, and the third and final part is the hashed signature. We need a secret key to decrypt this, which is only known to Discord servers. So without the secret key, this part appears to be a nonsensical verification component. Accounts that have multi-factor authentication enabled have a different token. Now that we know what tokens are, let's see where these Discord tokens are stored. Primarily, there can be 2 ways to open Discord on a computer. Either we can download the Discord application from the Microsoft Store, or we can just log in via our browser. The browser option sounds quite easy and interesting. If you're logged in via your browser, you can check your Discord token by going to Developer Tools, then going to Application, and then Local Storage. It's where all the cookies are stored. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you'll see a key named token, and in its value, you'll find your Discord token. Another thing you should note is that if you've been logged in to your account in the browser for a while, you might not see your token here because Discord has some anti-token theft mechanism that hides the Discord token so nobody can steal it. But you can still see it by toggling to a different device size using this button. You can select any phone resolution here, and when you refresh your page once, you might be able to see your token. If still not, you have to come to the Network tab. Now you'll see the different requests here that your browser is making to Discord servers. If we click this message request, it is pulling messages in the chat. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you'll see your Discord token going along with the request as the authorization header. This token moves with every request going from your browser if you're logged in. This authorization header with our Discord token is the only thing that is authorizing our request. A user can integrate this token into a script to read all the messages from the chat. For better explanation, I've written a Python script that is using a Discord token from this account, and we're going to read the chat with this person from this account. Now, if I run this, you can see it has read all the messages from the chat without me being logged in. Also, I can send messages in the chat and talk in servers, but it's against Discord rules, so don't do it or Discord will ban your account. Now, there can be multiple ways hackers can basically steal these Discord tokens from you. I am going to share 2 of them with you here. The first one is a social engineering technique, If we open developer mode again in our browser tab where Discord is logged in, and then go to the console and paste this JavaScript, you can see it is showing us the redacted version of our token. This JavaScript can be optimized to send data to a Discord webhook or maybe a C2 server just by adding a few more lines of code. Then, hackers can trick users into pasting that JavaScript into the console, and once they do, the token will be sent to the hacker. It sounds a bit silly because no one is that stupid to do such a thing, but with convincing social engineering techniques, this is definitely possible. For example, they can use a greed tactic by offering something like Discord Nitro or free Robux. Latest browsers have this safety feature where, before pasting something into your console, you have to manually allow pasting, which saves many people from losing their accounts. There is one even more dangerous way that hackers can use to steal your Discord token. The cookies I showed you before in local storage while we were checking our tokens are stored locally on our computer. Now, just because they are stored locally doesn't mean they are stored in plain text. We can't just open them as a file and copy these tokens from there, but there is definitely a way to get the token from there. These cookies are stored locally in a specific folder of your browser. Mostly it is called local storage, but it's encrypted. If we write some code to somehow decrypt those files, we can get access to the tokens. We can even get tokens from the Discord app this way. So, I've written a Python script only for this reason. For ethical reasons, I can't share the code, but I can show it running. So now if I run this script here, you can see that it is showing us some redacted versions of these Discord tokens. I've intentionally redacted part of these tokens because these are real working tokens from my own accounts. This script isn't very great, but at least it is doing what it was supposed to do. We can make changes accordingly. Also, hackers can put their webhook in the code, and by writing a few more lines of code, they can send all the tokens to their Discord channel. Like if you can see here, I've quickly written a function, and if I execute this script now, it will send all the tokens to my Discord webhook. If I check my Discord channel now, you can see we've got the redacted versions of these tokens here. As you've seen, hackers can easily get access to Discord accounts using Discord tokens. The worst thing is that if you have Nitro on your Discord, they can view your payment details, not all of them, but most of it, which is usually enough for social engineering calls to banks. Even if they don't get direct access to your credit card details, they can use already set up payment methods to buy Nitro and send it as gifts to their own accounts. Now, if your Discord account gets hacked like this any day, just quickly change your password and log out of all devices. This resets the token. Most of the time, tokens are stolen using malicious files like the Python script I showed you, but the same thing can be written in other languages and even made more efficient. Don't run anything fishy on your computer. I hope you found this video useful. Please make sure to put some cool video ideas in the comments section and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to send your Discord tokens to me on Discord.